If you're looking for an all-in-one tool that can do way more than you could even imagine, you're in the right place. Today we're having a look at Appflowy, we're having a look at Notion, and we're going to compare them, see which one comes out on top in terms of productivity. So let's dive in. Appflowy. All right, so let's jump into Appflowy. It delivers an AI-powered collaborative workspace. You can manage your projects, tasks, notes, and this can be done across all of your devices, and it can be done in a team. So you can create Kanban boards, calendars, grid views. This can help you organize all of your information in your way. Maybe you prefer this view, maybe you prefer that view. You can now customize it. You can access it from your Linux system, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android device, whatever it is, you can access it. And you can sync all of those devices. It's a fantastic tool to jumpstart productivity with flexible templates for any project type. So if you don't know how to get going, you can actually look through their template library. They've got awesome templates. You can also see over here, you have 100% control over your data. So if control and security, privacy is something that you put high on your list, Appflowy is definitely a fantastic app. You can run completely offline or self-hosted. Also, you can run Mistral 7B and Llama 3 models locally for maximum privacy, and you can create rich documents with markdown support and local backups. The last thing over here you can see is it has more than 330 contributors, all from a total of more than 190 countries worldwide. It has more than 6,000 community members. These are active users sharing ideas. You can build custom solutions with no-code or low-code architecture. You can create DIY plugins and templates for unique workflows. It's perfect for individuals, team members, even large organizations that want total control over productivity systems. All right, we're looking at Notion now. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion unifies notes, tasks, databases, and projects in one tiny little space. You can create personalized environments for personal or team productivity. You get customizable databases. Create databases with tables, Kanban calendars, and lists. You can design flexible data structures tailored to your unique needs as well as your workflows, and you can manage your tasks, your projects, content, and customer data without needing any prior coding knowledge. Easily, you can also filter, sort, and visualize information to boost team productivity as well as organization. And you get real-time collaboration. So this means simultaneous editing. This is great for large teams that are constantly on the move, always making changes. Even if they are small changes, everyone is in the know because it's real-time updated. So this means multiple users at the same time can edit, update pages, and this is live. As well as commenting and feedback that is given, you can assign tasks and leave comments easily within the platform, and you don't have to do any follow-up emails to ask if this person got that and if they were updated on this. It's all done for you in one space. You can actually also share your workspace, and this keeps teams connected across all of your locations if you have remote teams. It also has a template system, so you can use pre-built templates for project management as well as your notes. You can adapt templates to fit your workflows and as your team needs, and you can reduce setup time with their ready-made organized structures, which is always fantastic. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. What an epic battle. Now, if you found this video enjoyable, you can go ahead and hit the like down below. You can also subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and we will see you next time.